Our planet Earth is a marvel, a unique gem in the vastness of space. It teems with life, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, each ecosystem brimming with diversity. A delicate balance sustains this web of life, a balance we are disrupting with our actions and negligence. Global warming, a silent crisis, threatens the very fabric of our world, altering weather patterns and melting ice caps. It is our responsibility to understand this threat and act before it is too late. Every small action counts, from reducing waste to conserving energy. The natural world is resilient, but it has limits. We must respect these boundaries to ensure its survival. We are pushing those limits with our insatiable appetite for energy and resources, leading to pollution and deforestation. The consequences of inaction are dire, threatening not just the natural world but our own survival. Natural disasters and species extinction are just the beginning. The time to act is now, while we still have a chance to change course. Together we can make a difference and protect our home for future generations. Global warming refers to the ongoing increase in Earth's average temperature. It is driven by the greenhouse effect, a natural process that traps heat from the sun. However, human activities have intensified this effect, leading to a rapid warming trend. Greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, act like a blanket around the Earth. They trap heat and prevent it from escaping into space. While this process is essential for life, excessive greenhouse gases disrupt Earth's delicate temperature balance, leading to global warming. Human activities are the primary drivers of this accelerated warming. The Industrial Revolution marked the beginning of significant human impact on the environment, leading to increased emissions and pollution. The burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This carbon dioxide traps heat, creating a greenhouse effect that warms the planet. Deforestation further exacerbates the problem by removing trees, which absorb carbon dioxide. Without these trees, more CO2 remains in the atmosphere, intensifying global warming. Our reliance on fossil fuels has come at a steep price. The extraction processes themselves are harmful, causing environmental degradation and releasing additional greenhouse gases. The energy that powers our homes, fuels our transportation, and drives our industries is the very same energy that is warming our planet. Every car on the road and every factory in operation contributes to the growing problem. We must transition to cleaner sources of energy to avert a catastrophic future. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power offer sustainable alternatives that can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. Section 4. A world out of balance: impacts of global warming. The effects of global warming are becoming increasingly evident across the globe. The consequences of global warming are far-reaching and devastating. We are witnessing more frequent and severe weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves, which are causing widespread damage to homes and infrastructure. These extreme weather conditions are not only damaging our environment, but also affecting our daily lives. Severe storms and flooding are becoming more common, while drought conditions leave the land parched and water sources dried up. Melting glaciers and ice caps contribute to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities and ecosystems. Flooded coastal areas and submerged buildings are becoming a stark reality for many. The delicate balance of nature is being disrupted. Ecosystems are being damaged, forests are suffering, and pollution is on the rise, leading to habitat loss for many species. Species are struggling to adapt to rapidly changing environments, leading to biodiversity loss. Deforestation and climate change are pushing many species to the brink of extinction. The very systems that support life on Earth are under threat. Damaged natural environments, dying forests, and depleted resources are signs of an ecosystem on the verge of collapse, posing significant threats to human life. We must act now to mitigate these impacts and preserve the planet for future generations. Through renewable energy solutions and environmental activism, individuals are taking action to combat climate change and protect our world. Section 5. A time for change, embracing renewable energy and conservation. There is hope. By transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower, we can drastically reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. Investing in energy efficiency technologies can further lessen our impact. Conservation efforts are equally crucial. Protecting existing forests and planting new trees can help absorb excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Reducing our consumption patterns and embracing sustainable practices can make a significant difference. Section 6. Our shared future, a call for global action. Global warming is not a distant threat. It is our present reality. Addressing this challenge requires a collective effort. Governments, businesses, and individuals must work together to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition to a sustainable future. We are all interconnected. The actions of one nation affect us all. Through international cooperation, technological innovation, and a shared commitment to safeguarding our planet, we can overcome this challenge and create a brighter future for generations to come.